Boo. Come on. It's a grand rising, everybody. I am Stardust Diamond. What happened to your bowl? This is once a week video of baby. Oh yeah, baby. Of Miley, Nala, Midnight, and this stray kitty who I feed. Oh, he come once a while, boy. I'm gonna get him a shelter house. Yes, I am. And we're gonna find out. And Mommy's gonna make some money and get you all fixed. And then we're gonna have to put you and find you a good home. So, and then I want to keep contact with them so I can see pictures. I don't like seeing cats being dropped off. He wants food. Oh no. I know, I just made a mess. See? Yeah, I made a mess. We're gonna hit the phone here. Alright. Okay. I need to open it with 2 hands. Here. Here we go. Well, the bird food is feeding blue jays, blackbirds, and we had a raccoon, a possum. Yeah, I gotta feed 4 cats right now. And how'd you get the scratch on your nose? Yeah, are you hungry? What is this stuff? What's this? This temptation. There. I gotta feed all the kitty cats right now. They're all hungry. Feed you first. Oh, what's that? My sweetheart. See, this cat only comes here once in a while. I'm certain other people feed him and look after him because well plump, and I make sure he's well fed. One time he ate 2 of those. He doesn't come often, so I decided I'll just put my video on and start doing my videos that I love to do. If I could, I would probably do videos like, I don't know, like I used to do videos every day, and then I do it once a week. And then all you beautiful souls join. And, you know, YouTube just keeps going up and up and up with more people, which I do appreciate. And I thank everybody for liking and sharing and leaving beautiful message. I always appreciate it. And viewing. I said, boy. Oh, you're hungry. They just disappear after this. I gotta go feed the other cats. But I don't get the video that much. Yeah, I see. He's missing 2 hair patches. He tries to go after the other animals, the squirrels. Yeah, I told you guys that. Yeah. Yeah, the flowers. I gotta hang them back up. And I got those other beautiful flowers, right? And they're hanging up right there. But the eaves trough, I don't know how to fix it. The eaves trough. Oh, the water just comes pouring over like a waterfall. You gotta fix it somehow. You gotta fix a lot of stuff. And I just seem to keep procrastinating on things, and things just keep adding up. I call this one Tuxedo. I got a tuxedo. And then whoever gets you, can change your name. The 3 cats is enough for me. But I certainly am not going to let a cat go starving and everything. No. Alright. We're going to see the beautiful girls now. You enjoy your food, mister. I love you. He's a boy. You're a good boy. He was a lot smaller. Someone abandoned him. Either someone abandoned him or he's owned. He's starting to get used to me, and then once he gets used to me, take him to see if he's microchipped. Yes, and see if we can find your owner. Maybe you're owned by somebody you just got out. You either got dropped off or escaped. Yeah. The other neighbors got lucky out front. Their black and white cat got escaped, but they got it returned. Oh, he's so hungry. They're so spoiled. Alright, I gotta go feed the other cats. Love you, handsome. Yeah, you know it. You come right to me where I'm sitting. See you playing out. Oh! Look at that nasty fish. Can you see it? It's a spider. Ah! I don't like spiders. Okay, you're a flying spider. Go away. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna get this. Where is it? See? Oh, go away, man. See it? Look at that. Oh, go. Oh, yeah, you can go over there, buddy. Oh, look at this. Oh, no, you guys. You guys. I am such a klutz. Oh, No, I don't like cleaning up. Oh, I'm always cleaning up. Alright, you know what? You guys can eat that. I did buy another. No, I see, yes. Yeah, it let go of my hand. No. Minute. Nala. Oh. Yeah, one of the cats made a mess on the floor. You don't want to see that. I gotta clean that up. Yeah, one of you guys got sick. I don't know when. Where's the babies? Here's a Midnight. Here's a Midnight. Here's a Nala. Meow. Meow. You guys hungry too? Miley. Miley. Oh, we got Midnight. Oh, oops, Midnight. Yeah, Nala. Now, he's got some dry skin. So, I'm going to look up some stuff for your dry skin. That's all your problem you got. Yeah, no, there's another problem is I'm going to need to find different food for you. Maybe better for your skin. Yeah? Think so? You? Yeah, I went to hug him. Oh, there she is. She is being quite moody. You moody, Miley? He's saying hello to everybody. Oh, my baby girl. Yeah, she's going to town. Nala, Nala, Nala. Hi, baby. Say love you all. Miss Miley. Oh, yeah. I'm going to have to put this. Oh, you know, you guys, I got to get that thing so I can get your food there. Midnight, I went to hug him, and he had his teeth on my cheeks. That wasn't very nice, was it? And then he came and slept on my legs later on, apologizing. Miley, I am not chasing you. You come for the food now. Nala. There you are, babies. There's Midnight. There's my babies. You two are always at my feet. Now I gotta get your food ready for the week. And I have to make money to Nala. Are you saying? She's saying hello to everybody again. She's like, I'm gonna give everybody some rubs. Yeah. Miley, are you in a better mood? Oh, Nala. Nala, I need to get your bowls ready. No. You guys I have to figure out a different eat schedule. The girls are doing great. Midnight, I'm gonna buy like maybe a couple of samples of other certain foods and then see and test out. Oh, I have to do dishes. I don't want to do dishes today. No. I have to try to keep everything clean, and then I have to organize the son's coin and money collection, which he doesn't want. It was just good keepsake, I guess. It's like money all around the world I've never seen. Like I've never traveled. Like I've never gone on an airplane or like go to a different country and visit. We still want to go visit Scotland. Midnight, come here. Your food. Come here, Nala. Miley's. Nala. Come here. She's the cutie. Nala. Oh, my babies. He is my son's sock. He didn't he just put his teeth on my cheek, but I wasn't happy about that at all. Nala is this little love bug. Me a love bug. I look in my son's bedroom and she's on him on the blanket. And she's looking at me, and she's knitting the blanket. She always snuggles with him every rising. Miley, she loves to be snuggled sometimes. Yeah, you do. You do love snuggling sometimes. Not all the time. And you love your pets. And Mommy loves picking you up all the time. Are you guys going to eat him? Oh yeah, the son got a portable air conditioner. And then this thing was on it. Ooh, yeah. Get it. It's super long. Don't do that in your teeth and your mouth, please. No, y'all. Yeah, they get along, they don't get along. They get along, they don't. Ooh! That was a balloon. Oh yeah, I get in the zone. And I'm like, oh, she got scared. Why are you scared of it? My Nala loves it, see? Watch, Midnight will like it. Ooh, look at, she's scared. Come here, Missy. It's okay. Why are you scared of it? The other two want to play with it, and you, madam, want to be scared. Scared a little feather. He goes, oh, puppy. Yeah. Is this your spot? Look at that. Let me clean the litter box last night. Stretch. You Miss Moody. Like your Moody. Like your mama. You moody like your mama. Who's that? Uh-oh. He's probably going to go try to see if there's more food in the bowl in the laundry room. Yeah. Are you in a box? You know how many boxes you got here? Where is that AC box? Oh, it's not that expensive one. This one right here, we got them. This as big as this box here. It was like $199 without tax. And then they wanted like $40 for like 2 years warranty. Now the partner got it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, certain stuff is a must again. I can't have him all warm and hot. Oh, I'm going camping in July. I gotta go dig out all the stuff. Talk about work. No, I'm gonna do that on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Yeah. And then I'll start putting out stuff and then put it in a pile. And once I get everything found, there's going to be a beach there. And go float in the water. Float in the water. Oh, she doesn't like him sometimes. And then sometimes she sleeps next to him. I don't know. Where's the strings at? Oh, she likes this. See, I don't know why she's scared of. Probably because maybe the noise of it. She likes this. You like the string instead. Mommy didn't mean to scare you. I thought you liked the thing. Oh, we always play with them. They always get the zoomies. You guys get the zoomies. Oh, yes, you only have one window to go up on now to see outside. Because we have already had a portable air conditioner in our bedroom. And then the son didn't have one. There's no, like, window sills and stuff. I know. Yes. Aw, you liking the string? You like the string, my sweetheart. Look how fast she's getting. Whoosh. Don't try to bite. See her fast lick. Miley. Get it. Get it, girl. Oh. Midnight's just watching. Is Midnight just watching? Oh, Miley. I know animals are animals. Oops. Ooh, don't you be getting me with those sharp nails. You need help? Come here. Come here. Is both your nails out? All right, let's wait. Oh, he's got it. I'm always gentle. Yeah. There we go again. Ugh. I can't have you do this around the carpet because you keep getting your nail all caught. No, I'm only doing your head right now Yeah. Miley, are we done, Missy? We can do that another time. Yeah, I'm a cat. I don't care. No, look at that little paws. Hey, look at that little paws. You're a good girl. This is my baby. You silly girl. Alright, Midnight, let's go find Mama. I'm losing everything. I can't find any piece in the vacuum. What else am I not? There she is. Oh, as soon as the sun gets home, he's just open all my curtains. I love the nature. I love looking at nature. Hi, Nala. Hey, girl. You know, she's being more and more affectionate now. You are? Well, at least keep the center out. The sun won't like... Yeah, I'm out of peanuts for a while for the squirrels. They're going to have to wait. They have to eat that. I got to fill the bird feeder up. Hi, Nana. Hi, Nala. There she goes with her tongue. Yeah, see? I don't see, but you guys are on different food stuff than he is. Maybe Mommy will try to see if he likes that stuff. And I'll buy more of that, and then the other stuff would be used for the other cat. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna check on these two. Yes, the sweeties, where are my Miley? Oh, Midnight. Please don't go up there. I still gotta clean. The dust is from your kitty litter stuff. Alright, we're going to end this beautiful video. We love you all. Right? We love you all. We love you all. Where are you going to go? 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 Coming upstairs? Hey? Even if I shut the bathroom door a little bit, you still have to, like, push on it to open the door. What's that? Are you huffing? Did you hear that? He huffed. I don't know what that was. Maybe breathe hard. He's like... Nala, I say love you all. Love you all. I'm sorry. There we go. I didn't mean to poke yes. You say love yes. I gotta find Miley. What's they got? They're doing great. Oh, Miley. They continuously jumping on the table upstairs. And she decided, oh no, I gotta start chewing on a rubber band. Like, you animals are like toddlers. You got to take everything out and away to make sure you don't get in anything. Meow. Say love you all. Why is she so... Say love you all. You don't need to worry about anything. You don't, sweetie. Like, you need to stop being so skittish. Say love you all. Sprinkle some stardust and bye for now.